Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to crochet the almond stitch, which is the stitch used to make my Almond Waves Baby Blanket. For this tutorial I used a worsted weight yarn and a 6mm hook. The initial chain can be any multiple of 8 plus 5. For this tutorial, chain 21. Slip stitch into the second chain from your hook and into each of the next 3 chains. Next, work 1 half double crochet into each of the next 4 chains. The pattern continues alternating between 4 slip stitches and 4 half double crochet stitches until the end of the chain. Your first row should look like this. Chain 1 and turn your work. For row 2 and the remainder of the pattern, use the back loops only. Slip stitch into the first 4 stitches, then half double crochet into each of the next 4 stitches. Your stitches should follow the same stitches from the previous row. So each slip stitch should be completed in the slip stitch from the previous row, and each half double crochet should be completed in the half double crochet from the previous row. Keep alternating between 4 slip stitches and 4 half double crochet stitches until you reach the end of your row. Your second row should look like this. Chain 1 and turn. Now you're going to half double crochet into each of the next 4 stitches, followed by 4 slip stitches. Each half double crochet stitch is made into the slip stitch from the previous row, and each slip stitch is made in each of the half double crochet stitches from the previous row. Keep alternating between 4 half double crochet stitches and 4 slip stitches until you reach the end of the row. When you get to the end of your row, chain 1 and turn. Row 4 is a repeat of the previous row. Half double crochet 4 and slip stitch 4 across. You will be half double crocheting into the half double crochets of the previous row and slip stitching into the slip stitches of the previous row. This is what your work should look like after completing rows 1 to 4. Repeat rows 1 to 4 for as many rows as you'd like. This is what the wrong side of your work should look like, and this is the front. Eventually, you should have something that looks like this. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching!